If you have Spectrum Internet but get a weak Wi-Fi signal in certain rooms, a Spectrum Wi-Fi Extender can help expand your wireless coverage. In this quick video, I'll explain what it is, how it works, how to set it up, and some simple troubleshooting tips. What is a Spectrum Wi-Fi Extender? A Spectrum Wi-Fi Extender works with your Spectrum router to extend Wi-Fi coverage to areas where the signal is weak. It can be useful for upstairs bedrooms, larger homes, garages, rooms far from the router. Instead of replacing your main router, the extender helps bring your existing Wi-Fi connection to areas that may have poor coverage. How does it work? The basic setup is, your Spectrum router sends the Wi-Fi signal to the extender, which extends it to your devices. The extender receives the wireless signal from your main router and rebroadcasts it to provide coverage farther away. For the best performance, don't place the extender directly in a dead zone. Put it somewhere that still receives a good signal from the router. How to set up a Spectrum Wi-Fi Extender? Setting up a Spectrum extender is relatively simple. Plug in the extender near your Spectrum router. Wait for it to power on. Follow the setup instructions for your model. Use the My Spectrum app if supported. Move the extender to the weak signal area. After moving it, check your Wi-Fi connection and adjust the extender's location if necessary. Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 Extender. Spectrum also offers a Wi-Fi 7 extender with multiple Ethernet ports, including 10 gigabits per second, 2.5 gigabits per second, and 1 gigabit per second connections. If you're using a newer Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router, the setup process may differ from older Spectrum equipment, particularly when using WPS. Troubleshooting tips. If your extender isn't working, restart the router and extender. Move the extender closer to the router. Check the network connection. Use the My Spectrum app for available troubleshooting options. Is it worth it? If you have weak Wi-Fi coverage in certain parts of your home, a Spectrum Wi-Fi extender can be a convenient way to improve coverage without replacing your main router. Just remember, proper placement is key to getting the best results. To learn more, check out our full guide linked in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, no-fluff tech videos.